In India, people are generating lead at cost of 500, 1000 in Indian market, and we generated lead at cost of 149 rupees in US market, where usually people generate lead at cost of 2000, 3000, 1500. So how we able to get this lead cost at this such a minimum level? So I will gonna elaborate those things for you guys so that you can apply this in your businesses and grow your businesses. So, like in Indian market, people are generating leads at 500, 600. It is really, really like very depressing to listen these things, because in Indian market, you are bidding based in INR. But in US and UK and other foreign countries, you are bidding in US dollars and other currencies, which is much more higher in comparison to INR. So you are bidding in dollar, you are bidding in the pound and other currency based on their currency. So how we generated this result of the result like 149 rupees per lead, I will gonna elaborate for you. So let go deep into this. So this is the ad account, you can see, and this is the campaign that we are running. You can see the cost per lead also. Let's scroll it. So you can see the cost per lead is around 149, 149, 147 something. So this is the lead cost we generated, and you can see the targeting of ad also. So this is the lead to cost, and this is the targeting that we did in United Kingdom, UK and US. And this is a proof that you can see that we generated the lead at cost of this much. So now let go deeper into this and understand at bottom level that how we did it. So let's understand how we generated this cost of 190 in USA market. Like in Indian market, if we compare in Indian market, people are generating lead at cost of 500, 600, 1000 RS. And in US market where you are bidding in dollar, you are bidding amount in dollar. So how we able to generate 149? So in this client case, we have to generate leads of a student. So like they want leads of a student to sell their courses, like professional courses or certification courses. So we understand the pain point of a student, as we know that any student who's learning is probably want to make their parents proud, or want to make like want to earn them good money. So based on that psychology and our deeper research, which we created ad creative. So we created ad creative on that, and in this case we are using Meta. We used Metaform. The level 1 testing we did with is that Meta, and level 1 we did is that we used Metaform to capture leads. This is a basic and first level we use. If this is giving you qualified leads, then based on that we move further and decide our other strategies. So Metaform form is one of the easiest and fastest method to get the leads, because it is less like it don't have too much friction. So this is the first thing we did. Like we created a meta form in which we put it the thing that a student want to listen and want to understand and want to know. Like we put it those thing on the form that every student want to heard. So we put it those thing in ad creative. We mentioned that you want to make this much. You want to make them your parents proud. So based on that targeting, we did. We can't show you the creatives and the thing because it is not the good way to show other people's creative. But maybe in future I will change my mind. I will show you based on the policies with our client. So that is the thing. So Metaform we generated the lead cost of 149. Even this is a in this we are getting qualified leads of the student. And next we are thinking of building a landing page and capturing the leads from there. This is a one of the best method if you want more qualified leads. Like people here, some random people can put their details, and you will contact and you will find out that they don't have any interest in your product or courses or anything like product or service you are selling. So in landing page cases, you can put VSL, a video sales letter. You can put overview video where they can see what you are selling and what you will gonna pitch in next funnel. So based on that, VSL and landing pages are the best way to convert people. Like this is the best way to convert people, and also one of the best way to get very qualified leads. So second testing we will gonna do with this. We not did this yet. The landing page is currently we are building on that. So I just want to show you that it is not that tough to crack this thing. This is no rocket science in this. You just have to use your common sense, a brain, and understand that okay, this is a pain point customer is suffering from. So how I can put and write and how I can create ad creative in such a way that customer can understand, oh yeah, this is the problem I am facing. I need this solution right now. So you have to create urgency in your ad. You have to create a right hook. You have to create a eye-catching creatives in that. You have to put eye-catching visuals in that, so that whenever a prospect see your ads, they understand, oh, this is the problem we are facing, this is the pain point we have, and they are providing the solution, they are trustworthy, this and that, and then they will convert for your service. If you're not doing those things, if you're just thinking you will launch ad without doing any optimization, without optimization of a landing page, without creating a good creative, and also targeting matters, don't narrow down your targeting too much, because the more narrow or targeting you will do, the cost will be go higher. And also, don't narrow down, because Facebook understand the audience much more better than you and me. Okay, and you have to just understand how you can utilize Facebook algorithm, and how you can like use Facebook's recommendation to make your ads better. So use Facebook recommendation as like free stuff they are giving, and use your brain that, yeah, they giving this recommendation, so it will help me or not. So based on that you can apply. And so basically recommendations and ad creative, targeting, write content like ad copy, you can say also ad copy. These are the things that we used, and based on that we able to generate this 49 rupees of cost. We can eventually, maybe we can also lower this, because we not tested these things also. And we can even not using video in this yet, we are just using the static creatives in this. So once we will create done with our video, so most probably we can even lower that. So this is for that, like this is for this video, you can understand how we did this thing. Based on that you can apply these things in your ad campaign, you can apply in your business, so that you can also grow. Because time is one of the precious thing. Don't lose your time, lose everything, but don't lose your time. Learn these things and apply in your business and go faster. You can also take our help if you want. We can definitely very happy, we will definitely will be very happy to help you in your business venture and everything. So that's it for this. More steps on lead generation, sales, business, and other things are coming to support your journey. That's it for this.